Thanks very much. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, about 20 years ago, I'm managing a little hotel in Austin, Texas. Family-owned company. I had proven myself at a couple of other hotels, so they sent me down there to fix that hotel. All right? So I'm in fix-it mode. And I'm ready to go. And I know, obviously, if the hotel needs to be fixed, some things are going to have to change around here. And I sized up the staff, and I very quickly realized that I had one guy I needed to hang on to. His name was Terry. Terry was the maintenance guy. Now, I don't know about you, but I think there are two different kinds of maintenance people. There are the kinds of maintenance people that replace things, and those that fix things. And usually it's less expensive to fix one than it is to replace one. Agreed? So I knew I had to keep Terry happy, and so what I thought I'd do is every day or so I'm going to check in and just visit with him, spend a little time with him, and make sure everything is okay. Terry, is everything going good? Everything's going good. You have everything you need. Everything I need. Every day I'm doing everything I know to do to make sure Terry is happy. So one day I get this phone call on the walkie-talkie. Those are things we used a lot in the hotel business before we had cell phones and paging and all that stuff. And he calls me on the walkie-talkie, and I can tell he's kind of upset about something. He said, "I need to see you right now." I said, "All right." So I met him, as it happens. We kind of ran into each other in the courtyard of the hotel where the pool was. And I said, "What's wrong, Terry?" He said, "I'll tell you what's wrong. You are. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of these employees. I'm sick of these customers. I'm sick of this building falling apart all the time. I'm sick of not having what I need. And quite frankly, most of all, I'm sick and tired of working for you." And with that, he took his ring of keys. You know, maintenance guys have that ring of keys. And he took the ring of keys and he tosses it into the swimming pool. Deep end. Turned and walked off, and I've never to this day seen him since. I was devastated. I thought, I asked him every day if everything was okay, and he said it was. You know what? There are some people that you just can't make happy, aren't there? They just don't want it. There's nothing you can do, and certainly in this case there is nothing I could have done to make him happy. Or was there? Boy, aren't you glad you came to hear me this morning? Doom and gloom and defeat right off the bat. Well, we're going to talk about some things this morning for just a couple of hours. And when we get to the end of the morning, I'm going to ask you, what could I have done differently? Because I've learned since then that there are a lot of things that we can do differently.